Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life.
This session is on citation practices or referencing practices. So, what do we understand by referencing and citation? Let's have a look how referencing and citation work. So, referencing and citation, as we can see here. In your writing, you cite or refer to the source of information. A reference gives the readers details about the source so that they have a good understanding of what kind of source it is and could find the source themselves if necessary. Let us see it in practical application. So I have considered two different research papers for you. These two different research papers I have considered because of the fact these two research papers are having two different types of referencing styles. So in the first research paper, which is now being scrolled in front of you, you will find the referencing is there in the form of citation in text. That is, the name of the author is here and the year of publication is here. We write et al. Conventionally for a paper having more than 3 authors. Et al. Is an abbreviation for the Latin phrase et alia, which means and others. So in this type of research paper, you will find citation in text. Another form of research paper and referencing practice is citation in numeric form, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So in this particular paper, you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So obviously the references are already sorted numerically, and you will find at the end of this particular article all the references are being enumerated and sorted numerically as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So whoever is the reader will not have any problem in finding out the references of the sources. In case of the second one here, as you can see, citation in the text is being done. So in reference, what you will see, you will find that the references are being arranged alphabetically ABCD like this. So while the citation is done in text, if one needs to find out, one may search in the reference in alphabetical manner. So under the heading reference, you will find all the references which are being cited inside the article are being arranged alphabetically. How to do this referencing part while you write your article? There are different format of referencing. So we will see it here. Once we go and find in the net, there are two different tools. One is Google Scholar, another is Mendeley. Google Scholar is from Google and Mendeley is from Elsevier. So in Mendeley, you can create an account, you can sign in, or you can download also for your desktop application. For Google Scholar, you can click on Google Scholar. You will be redirected to this particular page and you can type your favorite subject, let's say content-based image classification. So, by default you will have papers from any time, that is whatever online archival is there for image classification, you will have papers from any time. If you would like to mention some custom range of publication, you can write 2008 or 9 till 2000, let's say 11. So, and if you click the search button, you will get all articles from 2009 to 2011. Then if you would like to have only from 2016 till 2020, then you can click on since 2016 and you will be having the article starting from 2016 till 2020. So similar for 19 and 2020. And if you would like to have articles from any time, you can have articles from any time. Now how will you cite? So if you just click this quotes button which is here, you just click on it and you can have different form of citations. For example, MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard and Vancouver, whichever is feasible, and according to the format of your journal where you are going to submit your article, you can just copy this and paste this under the heading references. Now for Mendeley, if you search Mendeley in Google, you will directly get the search bar here if you just type content-based image classification as the name of the topic on which you are writing the paper and try to search it. The next page will be the Mendelist search results in Google. So if you type on any one of this page or any one of this link, you will be redirected here. And here what you will find is the paper on which you have clicked in the Mendeley website as well as the citation style. You can easily change this just like Google Scholar to Cell, and then you can again change this to Chicago. You can again change this to Harvard. So you can have different styles of referencing which are already here, and you can just copy and paste it under the heading reference that you will be having. Right? Choose the citation style in accordance to the one applicable for a given conference or journal. Now these two free tools which are available for you, one is Mendeley, another is Google Scholar, is very efficient and effective for your research, and you can do effective citations and referencing with the help of these two tools.
If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.